Hi everybody, this is Doreen from Privies and Prims. Welcome to my Flossmas number 14. Today I want to show you this adorable little design. Let me fix her little bow here, maybe. This is a pattern by Teresa's Primitive Treasures. And it was in the Punch Needle Primitive Stitcher magazine. I am not sure, it was a couple years ago. But it's also, I think, in her Etsy shop. So it is available. And I'll show you my finish. This is what I did. I'm not sure what linen that is. That might be Osnaburg. I'm not sure. I love this little pattern. And the trim that I used, I got from Hobby Lobby. And then where the piece, it goes around and meets at the top. And that button looks green on the screen, but it is blue. And I just did that to cover where the trim meets. So I got that trim at Hobby Lobby, but then I did coffee stain it to tone down that white stripe and take away the brightness a little bit. And then on the back, I used this fabric that I had, and I think that might have come from Hobby Lobby too. And then where I cut it to stuff it, I covered with a piece of blue wool and then put my label on from Ever Emblem. And that's an iron-on label. So it's super cute, not very big, and easy to do. So today I went to a stitch group in Waynesville, North Carolina, and they meet the second Saturday, I think. Now this little one's not going to stand up. Anyway, we stitched there today, and that was fun to be with other stitchers. So my question for today is, what other Flossmas videos are you watching? I am watching the Running Stitcher and Jessica Sweetwater Stitcher, and Stitching Scotty. That's Scottie. She has Scotty dogs. So let me know in the comments which ones you're watching, and we will continue on. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye.